Hello amazing, or shall I say brave hearts. We have together fought many battles, but I think this battle in which we are today is the hardest one. As they say, you never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. The strength which Ambedians have shown in times like this is truly remarkable. This is the greatest gift which we can give to our founder on his 75th birthday. The togetherness, the ownership, the solidarity, the guarantee. The way you all rose up to face the global threat, the pandemic, is truly exemplary. The contribution of each one of you has not gone unnoticed. So many years we've been speaking about so many achievements, but this one has surpassed all. Our founder, to our founding father, we stand here tall today because of this team and their teamwork. You have reinstated the fact that we are here to stay, to rise, to shine. We are ready to fight the new battles in the changed world with the change processes. Talking about change processes, there have been a lot of work from home during this pandemic. And to tell you, the editorial team, whether it was GTP, content generation team, animators, graphic designing team, each and every team of editorial did not let even a single day work go behind. IT works 24/7 to make sure that the work from home is seamless. They make sure that there is no data leakage. HR worked the lengthiest of the hours even while working from home to support the team and the group. Administration, they risk their own lives. So to make sure that our premises are safe, our people are safe, how commendable is that? Finance, whether at corporate level or unit level, they have worked against all odds, coordinating with banks, vendors, own team. And to talk about branches, they have left no stone unturned to bring sales and collection to the group so that the ship of MBD keeps afloat. I want to mention here especially Punjab team. They took special approvals and opened office at 5 a.m. in the morning to clear the backlog of urgent orders. The North team has supported the entire group with the collections and sales. The many branches who have done their best in terms of sales and collection, naming a few: Jalandhar, Cuttack, Karnal, Jammu, Guwahati, Shimla, Bhopal, Patna, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Guwahati. The other branches who could not perform, I know they were itching to perform. It is only because the reasons were external to the group, where their hands were tied. There were other branches like Cuttack and Patna. They made sure the regional products which are under making, they are launched on time. The supply chain, purchase, production departments, they were firefighting to meet the changing demands. Because this pandemic had changed the entire ecosystem completely in terms of consumption. Hotels and malls, they were volunteers, I will say true brave hearts, who volunteered to be staying in the hotel since the lockdown, away from their family and loved ones, just to make sure that our properties are safe, our machinery is safe and in good condition. What a sacrifice. There was a fire incident in the mall Ludhiana Mall, MBD Neopolis, Ludhiana, a small fire incident. And I was so surprised to see that the concerned officials were at the site in record time to control the damage. Every black cloud has silver lining, and so has this one. The entire teaching and learning community, the fraternity, was dependent upon digital resources. And hence MBD came forward to provide all its digital resources, whether in form of ebooks or digitized content, by giving free of cost to nearly 20,000 schools. We successfully launched ECME app, mobile app. It contains 15,000 plus animated videos of K-12 segment mapped to the CBSE curriculum. It was the most opportune time to launch this app. I thank the IT, editorial, marketing and skills team who have put this together during pandemic. On behalf of the chairperson, Shrimati Satish Bala Malhotra, our joint managing director, Ms. Sonika Malhotra Kandhari and myself, we want to thank each one of you for the stellar job you have done, keeping the spirits high, living up to the morals of our founder. We also want to share our grief for the big loss of our Chennai branch manager, Tyagarajan. He was a true leader. I salute his determination and zeal to work towards MBD. He'll be respected, missed and remembered for all the times to come. We are taking utmost care so that our people at unit level, at individual level, are safe. We are taking all these steps to safeguard each one of us from this COVID-19. But we also know there may be or there can be an eventuality. God forbid there can be. And the expense, the medical expense, the treatment has become so very expensive. Realizing this, our chairperson, our respected chairperson, decided to double the cover of medical insurance for all the team members in this period. We thank our chairperson for her sensitivity and magnanimity. It is so heartwarming to see her care and affection for all of us. In line of the mission of a founder, his motive was to bring education and empowerment to one and all. We have distributed around 100 scholarships to students. Stay home, stay safe was the mantra. MBD is our home and MBD is our family. To our founder father, I want to say our team is not less than the army of warriors. हम अपने लक्ष्य को नीचे नहीं करेंगे, हम अपने हौसलों को बुलंद करेंगे। आने वाले वक्त में जीत भी हो सकती है, हार भी हो सकती है। पर कुछ सुलझे हुए लोगों ने जैसा कहा है, हार तब तक नहीं होती जब तक आप हार मानते नहीं। और क्या पता, ये वक्ती हार आगे आने वाली निश्चित जीत का एक पहला पड़ाव है। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि मेहनत और मुशक्कत का कद इबादत के आगे छोटा पड़ जाता है। इसलिए हमें हर काम की शुरुआत में ऊपर वाले का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए कि उसने हमें शफा दी और उसने हमें इस काम के लिए चुना। और हर अंत में हमें फिर उसका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए क्योंकि उसने हमें हिम्मत दी और फिर कामयाबी का दरोमदार उस पर छोड़ देना चाहिए। यहाँ पर मैं भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करना चाहूंगी। ओम सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यकर वावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। May we all be protected, may we all be nourished, may we all work together with great energy. May our intellect be sharpened. Let there be no animosity amongst us. May there be peace in me, in nature, and in divine forces. One day, you will tell your own story that how did you overcome what you are going through now, and it will be someone else's survival guide. Let the future generation get inspired by us. Let's wish that we can be a guiding light to the future generations. I wish you all the success, good health and happiness. Thank you.